welcome to MedTech World Bay Area, California 2025. I have the pleasure to be with Christian Espinosa from Blue Goat Cyber. Thank you very much for being with us today, once again.
Yeah.
Christian, so let's talk about how cybersecurity today is critical in the medical device space. How these companies underestimate threats today.
Well, I think the biggest challenge most medical device manufacturers face is really a lack of awareness. I know there's a cybersecurity threats, but I think the biggest threat to a medical device manufacturer bringing their product to market is that lack of awareness. Because what often happens is like they try to bring their product to market and they come to us in 60 days before a submission and we find a bunch of things wrong, which delays their submission. And this costs a lot of money, it frustrates investors, it delays their time to market, which means their competition might beat their time to market. So I'm trying to increase my company, Blue Goat Cyber, trying to increase that awareness because I feel like if people have more awareness, they'll make better decisions sooner than waiting to the very end. And that's part of my mission.
How do you help companies navigate this cybersecurity regulatory part as well without holding back their innovation?
Well, I'm an entrepreneur myself. You know, this is my second company. I sold my first company, so I understand what it's like to build a company, the pressure. So my goal is to help them do what is necessary, not too much, not too little, but do what's necessary to get their device to market as soon as possible. And my team is very well versed on communicating in a way that our clients understand. A lot of cybersecurity firms will talk over somebody's head. My team understands, my culture, which is like to help meet the client where they are and try to help them meet their goals. So we partner with the client in order to help them meet their goals versus just like give them random advice, which may not meet their goals and may not help them. So that for me, it's like, I want to see these inventions, these innovations get to market because I've realized a lot of them help major issues. They help patients, they help humanity. So the most I can do, my company can do to help that journey for an innovator is super important to me.
Tomorrow you're going to be part of our panel discussions, and it's going to be around regulatory to revenue. What are we going to listen on stage?
Well, I think the key component to regulatory to revenue is to think about cybersecurity early and often. Most companies, like I said earlier, wait to the very end, and it ends up delaying the time to market. So if we can get people to think about it sooner and put it on their roadmap, just like they might have a biocompatibility study or sterility study, cybersecurity should be on the roadmap sooner than later. That'll help them decrease their time to market and actually increase their value to the market as well, because some of their competition will not consider cybersecurity early on. So that's my goal.
Okay, Christian, I hope you make the most of these upcoming 2 days. And thank you very much again for being with us once again.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.